The human alimentary canal which runs from mouth to anus. It is about 9 meters long tube. There are some ducts which opens into the alimentary canal, mainly the duct from the salivary glands, then liver, pancreas, etc. This duct opens into the alimentary canal. They will produce some secretions which is helpful for the digestion of the food. We studied different steps in the nutrition in animals. That is 5 steps we studied: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. First process is ingestion. That is the food is ingested through the mouth. So through the mouth the food is ingested. Mouth is a slit-like aperture where we will take the food in. Next comes the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity mainly it consists of tongue, teeth and salivary glands. Tongue, it is a muscular, sensory, mobile and protrusible flat structure. Protrusible means we can extend it outside and we can take it back. It's a flat structure which is attached posteriorly at the basal part. It is attached over the lower jaw. Tongue contains taste buds. Next comes the teeth. Teeth, they are hard structures which are used for mainly for cutting, chewing and crushing the food, or mainly physical digestion takes place in the mouth with the help of the teeth. Then the exposed parts of the teeth, it is covered by a shining substance that is known as enamel. So enamel, we know that is the hardest substance of the body. Now about the teeth, each jaw consists of 16 teeth of 4 types. These different types of teeth present, the condition is known as heterodont. Already we studied that 4 different types of teeth includes incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And also 2 sets of teeth arise during our lifetime, that is known as diphyodont. The dental formula, it is 1/2 of upper jaw by 1/2 of lower jaw, that is I 2/2, that is incisors 2/2, 2 in the upper, 2 lower, canine 1/1, premolars 2/2, molars 3/3. So the half part above 2, incisors 2, below also 2, canine 1/1, premolars 2/2 and molars 3/3. So total 16, upper and lower, it contains 1/2 16, the other half 16, so total 32. Next is salivary glands. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands present. These 3 pairs, it opens into the buccal cavity. They are parotid, submaxillary and sublingual. Mainly it is present around this. This parotid, they are present below ears. Submaxillary at the angles of the lower jaw, here at the angles of the lower jaw, and sublingual below the tongue. The teeth, it helps in cutting, chewing and grinding. Means the large molecules of the food is broken down into simple substance. Cutting, chewing, grinding take place. Salivary gland in our mouth, they produce saliva. Our tongue will helps in mixing the food with the saliva. That is, it wets the food. Then after that, the food get mixed with the saliva. So salivary glands, they produce saliva. The food will mix us with the saliva. And the salivary glands, it produces an enzyme known as salivary amylase. Usually the food which we are taking in, the content of the food contains carbohydrates, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins. In that, carbohydrate digestion starts in the mouth or the buccal cavity. So carbohydrates, it is converted to simple sugars by the enzyme salivary amylase. So salivary amylase will convert large molecules of carbohydrates into simple form. This into simple sugar means glucose. Now after that only carbohydrate digestion takes place in the mouth. Rest protein, fat will be as such. After that the food enters into the next part, that is the esophagus.